probably heard of the metaverse.
From now on, we're going to be metaverse first, not Facebook first.
But even with all this hype,
is basically the successor state to today's mobile internet. It's an internet that is going to be a lot more immersive, more social possibly, a lot more engaging, more 3D. So it's almost like the internet's going to be all around us in some ways, breaking away from our phones, our desks.
It's going to give more opportunity for much better experiences, much more immersive experiences.
and to get there, there are a lot of different technologies involved.
You know, it is enabled by many different technologies. So AI, obviously, which is really hot right now, is part of the future state of the internet. AR and VR, 5G, 6G, cloud computing, edge computing. There's an element of blockchain as well, possibly. So yeah, it's kind of how we will experience the future state of the internet. So that to me is part of that beginning idea.
Proud to announce that starting today, our company is now Meta.
Mark Zuckerberg.
For Gen Z, but more so Gen Alpha, whatever happens in these virtual spaces is still very real, right? Just because it happens in Fortnite doesn't make it less real to them. It's very real. It's this continuum of the space.